When the COVID-19 pandemic had hit us, it obviously took a toll on everyone, including small and medium-sized businesses which were gravely impacted by the pandemic. When we talk about small and medium businesses, we're basically talking about micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, which are your MSMEs, which are mostly made up of manufacturing and service industries. But then along with the pandemic, there was a sudden push towards digitizing ourselves, and digitization majorly helped MSMEs come out of an economic slump. How digitization helped these small businesses, these small sized enterprises, we're going to decode it for you. Now, first of all, the process to start adopting digital methods was never going to be an easy one. But due to the disruption caused by the pandemic, there was no other choice but to adopt digital methods, basically adopt digitization to keep businesses afloat. And this definitely increased the speed of digitization in India. It wasn't just the pandemic, but also the subsequent lockdowns which further propelled the speed of digitization in India. And it wasn't long before entrepreneurs in India, especially those of small and medium-sized enterprises, they realized that if they want to keep their businesses afloat and if they want to expand their businesses, digitization is going to be the only way to do it now. Powerful digital ecosystems such as e-commerce and online payments empowered millions of MSMEs and offline businesses to reach a wider audience, provide better customer service, and sell their products to customers all over the country and even globally. So basically, this digitization process helped MSMEs, these smaller firms, smaller enterprises, to not only recover from the economic slowdown, but also help them expand the scope of their businesses to a far larger audience, because they were now adopting means which was not limited within certain areas. It was digital. So you could reach out to as many people just with the help of a link. Now, as per a survey with over 17,000 responses coming in from over 170 districts in India, the digital and e-commerce channels have become mainstream for India's small and medium-sized businesses to sell products and interact with their customers. According to the survey report, 28% of MSMEs and startups witnessed a growth between 100 to 500% in their sales through online channels just in the last year. Among the small businesses selling online, 61% are doing so via e-commerce platforms, while 31% are doing so via their own websites and apps. Now, the contribution of MSMEs to the national economy is immense. As per a statement made by Union Minister Nitin Gadkari in October 2020, he stated that MSMEs account for 30% of the country's GDP, 48% of the exports, and have created 11 crore jobs. So it is apparent and it is clear that the Indian economy needs MSMEs to function and flourish, and at the same time MSMEs need the digital platforms to grow in their fields.